Everybody fucking jump.
Welcome back to the Ozone Shoe Believers. Sorry for the shine, but I gotta get you guys a little bit of box action. Have all 4 pairs of these plus sample. Open those up. So I said let me open up one that you guys didn't see me open. If you guys want to see the other shoes, leave comments down in the video. I'll bust them out. Let me get this one open. Get you guys some box action before I open it. Small label, gang. Let me let it focus. This one reads, the Air Jordan 5 Retro SP Crimson Bliss. And what was it? Liche Boussel? Get this out of here, guys. I opened so many of these, I can't adapt. This one is a pair of size 9, so if you're interested in a pair of size 9, DJ Khaled Salmon 5s, I believe these are called, let me know. This pair could be yours. I have other sizes too. I'm going to put them up on the site. Have a couple of the other pairs, the blue ones, and I have 2 pairs of the purple ones that I'm also going to list for sale. Put those on GOAT. Maybe StockX. I don't know if they let you put that one on there, but we'll try. Materials on this shoe are all immaculate, guys. Don't let these 5s sit. If you like 5s, definitely get yourself a pair of this ones. Which is one that says we're the best on the back. The other one says Nike Air. Like I said, I have 4 or 5 different pairs. Like I said, if you guys want to see that video, definitely like this video and let me know. I had to get these for the vault as soon as I seen DJ Khaled open up his vault. I don't have all the pairs that he had, but I'm trying to keep up. It's just an outstanding shoe, guys. Like I said, I got early pairs. I got pairs from Europe. There's a little bit of top action. There's pairs available. I was trying to get them. It seems like the shoe isn't doing too well now, especially this pair. Like I said, all the faded salmon material, like a bluish gray Nike shark teeth. You see the 3M hits on the tongue as well. Sorry I didn't show you guys there. Air bubble, white netting. We the best on the back of this shoe, and of course you guys know the end of the shoe, it says keep going, and the shoe says going, the other shoe says keep on the Nike Air one. I want to take it out the box because it's basically the same shoe. You know what you guys think about these shoes? Are you getting a pair? Did you get a pair? Were you lucky enough to get a pair of the other ones? DJ Khaled's a cool guy, so I definitely wanted to support. My only problem was that the delivery man opened up all my boxes, but that's okay. I still got all the shoes, all in good condition. I'll give you guys a look what the shoe's gonna look like on your foot. You're wearing them. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe and have a nice day. God did.
Everybody fucking jump.